Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, friends. And today we have bought a technical indicator for all of you with which you can pick stocks to trade in intraday, as well as you can pick stocks for long-term positions. You can decide your entry and exit points with this indicator. It is a very useful indicator and it is broadly used in the marketplace. So we will discuss first of all that how this indicator is built, and then we'll discuss its technicalities, and then we'll later on move on to deciding the entry and exit points with this indicator. Okay friends, so let's start the video. So the name of this indicator is Bollinger Band. So Bollinger Band combines the knowledge of technical with states. To understand Bollinger Band, we need to understand standard deviation. If a stock price over 5 years happen to be 230, 227, 222, 225 and 232, let us calculate 5-day standard deviation and 5-day simple moving average. So 5-day SMA means simple moving average will be 227.2 and 5-day sample SD will be 3.96. So the Bollinger Band consists two bands. As you can see here, this is the upper band, this is the lower band, and this is the moving average, the middle line. So upper band will be calculated as 227.2 plus 2 into 3.96. So 3.96 is the standard deviation into 2. This is the difference how we calculate. And the lower band will be 227.2 minus 2 into 3.96. So the lower band will be somewhere 219.28. Thus Bollinger Band is band within which stock price usually lies. It comprises of middle line, this middle line, moving average. It can be simple moving average, it can be weighted moving average, or it can be exponential moving average. Upper band, moving average plus k into standard deviation, and lower band, moving average minus k into standard deviation. A typical Bollinger Band just looks like this. As you can see, the upper band, the middle line, and the lower band. Since volatility keeps on changing, so the width of Bollinger Band keeps on changing. As you can see, the volatility in the market or volatility in the TCS share keeps on changing. That's why the width of this band also keeps on changing. So this is how it works. The changing widths means standard deviation is reducing. So now the width of the band is also changing. So how do we trade based on these technical indicator? So there are two major ways through which we can trade. One is contrarian, means short term. So what short term traders do with this indicator? Whenever prices touches the lower band, they take the entry, they create their position, and they exit whenever prices go near to this upper band. And then if somebody wants to short sell, they can short sell at the upper band and can buy back at the lower band. This is how traders do the trading. We can see that how effective it is. If we move back a little bit in the share of the TCS, then we find that, look at here, the lower band touched, upper band touched, again lower band, again upper band, again went down, again went up, and then it has not broke the band, within the band moving, then again moved up, then down, and then again moving up. So this is how you can take the trade, and this is how you can book the profit. This is how you can decide your entry and exit points with the Bollinger Band if you are a trader or a contrarian view person in the market. Now if you are a long-term investor, what does a long-term investor do? Long-term investor wait that whenever the prices breaks out the Bollinger Bands from here and the volume is also above the volume's 20-day moving average, then long-term investor creates his position in the stock, and if it breaks down, then long-term investor is short on that particular stock. So this is how this band works. Now you might be feeling that this is a very easy strategy to go with, but yeah friends, mostly the thing is that the easy things works more in market than the complicated ones. So look how easily you can just go to the trading view. You can open the trading view, you can decide any stock of your want, then you can go here, FX means indicators, then you can simply search Bollinger Band and you will find the Bollinger Band, three kind of Bollinger Band strategy, Bollinger Band strategy 2 and simple Bollinger Band. So I want you to put the simple Bollinger Band, check out the strategy, how it works. in this any share, in any particular share. Look at, if you see the current market prices of the TCS, look at here, accumulating near the upper band and now moving again to the lower band. So this indicator really works in normal life also. So this is not a momentum oscillator, this is a indicator, technical indicator, which is working in the market for a very long part. Now here on this particular platform, TradingView, we have a strategy tester also, on which you can test the strategy and you can check whether this strategy is working in reality or not. You can go and check this. We are using this strategy for a number of years now, and this strategy mostly always works, and it gives you less signals, but whenever it gives you signal, those are very specific and very fine, and you can roll back to prices wherever you want to take the price chart. You can take, and you can see this prices always lies within this Bollinger Band. There will be very less movements where you will find that literally price has broken out of this band. Mostly look, prices are surviving within this band and moving within this band also. Lower band, then upper band, then again lower, then again upper. So most of the time it is spending here in this band only. So this strategy really works goodly in the market. I want you guys to use it once and do comment and tell us whether it has worked for you or not. And if you have any doubts further related to this strategy, you can message us or you can comment here on our channel and let us know for that. So thank you so much for watching our video, guys. I hope you liked the video. If you really liked it, please do press the like button. Please share our channel and our video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and please press the bell icon so that you can get update of these educational videos on daily basis. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much, guys.